hoping.
President of the government.
I like vice presidents.
Our Minister of Foreign Affairs.
I can also be a vice foreign minister.
My advisor for Foreign Affairs.
We last spoke in July. We strong leadership in the President and I, and looking very much forward.
For us, it's great honor. It's very powerful message to our citizens. Thank you personally, because first motivation came. It personally motivated me during the missions, also in the region. We wish you all the best. You personally in the United States.
Next year.
Next year I will wait you.
Okay, very good.
Thank you.
Very good. Thank you, sir.